Good morning guys and welcome to another video. Today is the day 5 of my 75 hard and right now I'm getting ready for the gym so that by 7 a.m. I reach the gym. And today is my chest day. I'm gonna be working on my chest today. These days I find myself more comfortable in chores than tights. It's because of the big belly that I have. Here's my pre-workout overnight oats with banana. This is my outfit. 7 out of 10. Now I have no peanut with me. That is why I didn't add peanut, or else I love to have peanut with my poha. You know that detox drink which went wrong. I can still feel that itchiness, but yeah, lesser than yesterday. Honestly, I'm so much traumatized by the drink. Now I have no courage to make another drink, but soon I'll make in the right way, you know. Good morning guys, welcome to the day 6 of my 75 hard. These days I'm waking up at 6 a.m. only because 5 a.m. is too early for me. I feel that way, and also when I wake up at 5 it is dark. And these days I'm not able to go to bed at 9 p.m. Due to that, I'm preferring to wake up at 6. Today is Soldier's Day in the gym. Here's my pre-workout overnight oats. Here I have mixed chia seed, oats, milk, and banana. Banana I have added just now. Detox water. Here I have my detox water. I mean trusted detox water. I know that this is not going to cause any bad to my gut health, because my gut health is very bad now. I have this habit of waking up every morning and cleaning up my stomach. I do potty every morning as soon as I wake up, and I drink a glass of water. But yesterday, for the first time, it wasn't easy for me. I think it's all because of that drink. I still couldn't find out what went wrong there. But in my mind, it was like, I think it's because of the palak. Because of the raw palak. This is my gym outfit for today. This top is from Zara. I don't know, someone asked me the reference number of this. I don't know, it's just, you can go to Zara basic section and then check out, you know, it is very good. I mean, one of my best purchases from Zara. This is a shorts because I don't want to keep that panty lining. That is why I wear shorts. This tights is actually H&M tights, but I got it from Sarojini for just 200 rupees, which was also a very good purchase. And then my shoes. I don't know how to pronounce SH, okay, so I'll be like SOOS shoes. And this is my shoes. Juta. Shoes. Yeah.
Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
This is a gravy for Snowball. Bolu, I got gravy for you. Thank you. चलो चलो ग्रेवी खाने चलते हैं. My gravy boy. चलो चलो. Apparently they keeps the doctor away. That's why to keep the doctor away. You know, I was just randomly scrolling the Instagram reel, and then I saw one reel where that guy was cooking high protein vegetarian meal, and I was like, oh, I can also do this. That's a good idea, with rice and dal. Oh, I think I don't have dal. Now I'll squeeze the water out of it, and then I will grind it. So I decided not to be lazy and go downstairs to get dal. By the way, my skin looks so good now. Ooh, it is because of clean eating, lots of water and good amount of sleep. This is the mixed dal. Oye, Bolu! Snowball, you are so beautiful. So much. Ooh. Look at this. Also, you know what? My refrigerator is not working and I have to call them for repairing. It's the con of owning things secondhand. I don't know how it's gonna taste. I hope I don't fall sick after trying this one also. So I think it would have been better if I added ghee or butter to it, but I'm on my diet. That is why I won't be preferring butter or ghee now. Not bad. It is like dal chawal only. Oh. This is my dal. Wow. And I have 2 roti. I like to have this way. Ta-da! Oh, it's so